Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will execute 7 to 8 Apex program. So please be available from start to end of this tutorial. Our first problem statement is write an Apex program if A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 4. Then multiplication of A and B is. Go to setup and open developer console. After that, go to file, after that new, and create one Apex class. Here I'm right class name is multiplication. Class is successfully created. After that, name of method is multi, and given value is A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 4. Integer A equals to 5 and B is equals to 4. I am define A value and B value. I am also take here one integer result for storing the multiplication result. A result equals to A multiplied by B, and after that I am simply print the result. Multiplication is plus result. In this way we can print the result. After that, save this file, debug, open execute anonymous window. After that, here create one object, name of method is multi, and execute. After that, click here debug only. Here we can see that multiplication is 20. 5 into 4 equals to 20. After that, next problem statement is write an Apex program to check whether the number is even or odd. Here I am write integer n equals to 3. Then I want to check this number is even or odd. I am write here if condition math dot mod x is 1, y is 2. System dot debug number is even, else system.debug number is odd. If this condition is true and it returns 0, then this number is even, otherwise this number is odd. After that, open anonymous window and then execute. After that, click here debug only, number is odd because 3 is odd number. Next problem statement is write an apex program to find biggest number, and here given that x equal to 1, y is equal to minus 66 and z equals to 44. Given that integer x equals to 1, integer y equals to minus 66 and integer z equals to 44. If here we use the nested if condition, if x is greater than y and if x is greater than z, if this condition is true, means x is greater than z, then print system.debug x is biggest number. Otherwise, it prints system.debug z is the z is biggest number. Else y is greater than z. System.debug. If this condition is true, then y is biggest number. Otherwise, it prints z is biggest number. I am right here code. If x is greater than y and x is greater than z, then prints x is biggest number, otherwise z is biggest number. After that, I am check y is greater than z, then prints y is the biggest number, otherwise z is the biggest number. Open execute anonymous window and execute. After that, click here debug only, z is the biggest number. You can see here Z is 44 and is the biggest than X and Y. After that, next problem statement is write an apex program to calculate the simple interest. Integer principal amount is after that initialize integer tenure equals to 5 years and rate of interest is 3. And create another one integer for storing interest amount. So interest amount equals to principal amount into tenure into rate of interest, and it divided by 100 and simply print the result. Interest amount is plus interest amount. Save this. Variable does not exist. Okay. Open execute anonymous window and execute. After that, click here debug only. We got the interest amount is 3000. After that, next problem statement is write an apex program to print the odd numbers between the 1 to 100. And here initialize counter equals to 1. After that, I'm right here do while loop and print system.debug odd number is print counter plus or equals to 2, and here I'm right while loop. In that I'm right condition counter less than or equals to 100. Save this. Write an experiment to print the odd numbers between the 1 to 100. Okay. After that, open execute anonymous window and execute. We got the odd number 1357 up to 99. After that, next problem statement is write an Apex program to print the even numbers between 1 to 50 in reverse order. Here I am initialize counter equals to 50. I want to print in reverse order. After that, I'm right here do while loop. Here is while and condition is counter. I want to print in reverse order. Print this system.debug even number is plus counter and counter minus equals to 2, because when 50 is print it minus the 2 means 48 is print. After that again minus 2, again minus 2. In this way we can print in reverse order. Open execute anonymous window. After that execute. We got 50, 48, 46 up to 2. Next problem statement is write an Apex program to print the even numbers between 1 to 100 and use for loop. We have to use here for loop. Use for initialize the counter equals to 2 and right here condition counter is less than or equals to 100, counter plus or equals to 2 and print the counter value even number is, print the counter. Save this. Okay, open execute anonymous window and execute. After that click here debug only. We got the even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 100. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.